Lawrence Kamin is a mid-sized business law firm based in the heart of downtown Chicago amidst the bustling business district along Wacker Drive. For nearly 90 years, our firm has provided high-quality, personalized, and cost-effective service to sophisticated local, regional, and national businesses, financial institutions, manufacturers and distributors, insurance companies, and wealthy individuals. Our attorneys are among the best in their areas of concentration. For businesses of all sizes, we serve as trusted outside counsel, savvy business and legal advisors consulted on important business deals and decisions. For financial institutions and individual financial advisors, we stand ready as experienced regulatory attorneys, a valuable resource in the complex landscape of SEC, FINRA, state securities, futures, insurance, and other regulatory environments. We are fierce trial advocates for insurance companies and clients forced into court or arbitration, exceptional litigators who will try, litigate, arbitrate, and efficiently settle cases at a reasonable cost. And we are strategic business and tax planners for family business owners and wealthy individuals, astute legal advisors who will devise effective tax savings and asset protection strategies that minimize cost and provide peace of mind. For all clients, Lawrence Kamin is a firm with uncompromising values and a systematic approach for achieving our clients' goals. At Lawrence Kamin, we take your business personally.